We all know the current Roblox death sound isn't the best. It sounds like this. And if you want to change it, you have come to the right place. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and hop into your game, and then what you want to do is go to Workspace, open it up, click on your character, open it up, and go to the humanoid root part. And once you have it open, you can find all of these sounds. And basically there's one sound here called died, and this sound essentially sounds like that. And we're going to be changing it. Now you can't change it right here because that only changes for this game. Once you hit stop, it's all going to get deleted. So what you want to do is go ahead and use a script to do this. So for the script, what we're going to be doing is going to starter player, opening it up, and going to starter player scripts. You want to open it up and click on local, or not local, but you want to type in local. And then once you have a local script created, you can go ahead and name it died sound change, and then we can go ahead and start editing the script. Apologies if you guys can hear the rain in the background. I don't know what's raining right now, but yeah. Inside the script, you want to go ahead and type local character equals script parent, because when the character is created, the script will be put inside the character automatically. I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys that. So if we open up my character, as you can see, the local script called died sound change has been created inside the character, and the character is script.parent. So if we go to script, we look at the parent property, it's this character right here. And what we can do with that is go ahead and get the sound and then change the sound ID. So for that, what we need to do is go ahead and grab the humanoid root part. So local humanoid root part, go ahead and copy that if you'd like, equals character wait for child humanoid root part. And once you have the humanoid root part variable done, what we can do is grab the died sound. So local died sound, and then right here type sound. This is just gonna help us in a second here, and it's not really mandatory at all. You can remove this if you'd like, but it's just nice to have. Once you have that created, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and type humanoid root part wait for child, and then you want to type died. And once you have that done, you want to go ahead and type died sound sound ID equals, and then 2 speech marks. Now let's go ahead and get our new oof sound. So inside the toolbox, go ahead and click audio right here, and then type in oof and click search, and you're going to find a bunch of sounds. Now these probably get deleted a lot, because if you didn't know, Roblox removed the oof sound due to copyright issues, and if people are uploading the oof sound after it's been removed, that could get deleted because of copyright issues. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play. And as you can see, it plays the old Roblox oof sound. So what we're going to be doing is inserting the sound and copying the ID. You can copy the whole thing, not just the numbers. And once you have it copied, you can go ahead and delete the sound. We don't need it. And inside the script, you want to go ahead and inside these speech marks, go ahead and paste that ID in. You want to go ahead and hit play and test it out. So inside the Explorer, go ahead and open it up, open your character, open humanoid root part, open up the died sound. And if you see the same numbers in the script, that means it worked. Or another way to test it is simply just reset your character, and you're going to hear the old sound get played. And this is basically how you set the old oof sound back into your games, because the new one is horrible. Hopefully we can work something out and Roblox can get the old one back in the game, but right now it's removed due to copyright issues. But yeah, other than that guys, if this video did help you and it works in your game, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel just to let me know it worked. And other than that guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.